We all know, we all been taught, we all heard 1,000 times that lead generation is the lifeblood of real estate. And to some degree, it is. But if you're still hunting for leads like you're on a treadmill in a rat race, like it's 2010, you are not running a business. You are on a cycle that you will never get out of. The problem is we focus on lead generation and we do it in a way like we've always done it. How Joyce Myers used to say, this is the way we go to church. We never stop to challenge the way we lead generate. We just do it the same way everybody else does. When I got into real estate, in business period, I pride myself on challenging the norms and giving people different vantage point. That's what my brand, the CEO of real estate, is about, challenging the way you look at things. In this video, I am going to challenge you on lead generation, because lead generation, the way it was and is dead and stinking. It's done. If you're still doing it that way, you're going to struggle in business. I'm going to give you an alternative and something you should be doing instead. And let's get into this content, baby. Hey guys, my name is Cheesette. I am the CEO of real estate. I am the coach that helps you build a profitable and systematic business that funds and not runs your life. Now, lead generation is not about finding people. I just want to say that. We always do that. We think it's about finding people. So what happens is we focus on leads. And I'm just going to preface what I'm saying by saying this. What you focus on expands. If all you're focusing is on lead generation, then all you're going to get is names, numbers, and leads. That's not the focus. That is the beginning point for relationship building. And that's what we're going to talk about in this video. When you focus on a system, you build an asset. I help people build strategy in their business, strategies and systems that are going to outpace, outlive, and outlast them. If you don't treat lead generation like an asset, it will kill your business and it will also burn you out. Let me give you the expense mindset. When you focus on somebody as a lead, you view them as an object to be extracted. This is why even in my heart, I always felt like lead generation was too transactional. And it is if you're doing it the traditional way. This is why I came up with my database to data bank strategy, because I was tired of being transactional. There is a better way to build business relationships where lead generation is concerned, and that is a strategy that uses a database and that asks different questions, pays attention to different things. If you continue to do lead generation the way you've always done it, you're going to get what you have always gotten. So let me tell you about the ick factor. When I see somebody as a lead, that's an ick factor. They only expend time and energy. Most agents aren't even good at basic human relationships, if we're being real, let alone business relationships. So lead gen doesn't reward shallow transactional behavior. This is why the database to data bank strategy that I have teaches you to go deeper, and it's systematic relationship building so that the lead generation strategy that you build can be an actual asset to your business and not a suck for your time and energy. Here's the thing that we need to fix. We need to switch to this transactional focused lead generation to relationship based lead generation. My database to database strategy is not about building a database. It is about strategically orchestrating relationships that give you business as a real estate agent. Let's talk about how we fix this. I'm going to give you a couple of things to pay attention to, and that's what I want you to focus on and take away from this video. I want you to think about how, based on what I'm telling you, you can look at lead generation from a different vantage point. Don't look at it the way it's always been looked at, because if you see things the way they've already been seen, that's what you're going to get. When you see things differently is when you see things differently. Hopefully you're catching that and that makes sense. The first one is, let's talk about that all leads are not the same. This is why it's dangerous to lead generate the old way and not the new way. When I say that all leads are not the same, the people who choose to do business with you, that have given you business, that have given you referrals, those are your VIP clients, and they need to be treated like that. The problem with the transactional lead generation is you just see a lead as a lead. So you'll treat somebody that fills out a form on Instagram the same way you treat somebody that's giving you 5 transactions. No, the person that's been giving you 5 transactions is your VIP, and you need to treat them like such so that they can continue to feed your business. They have already proven that they want to see you succeed. They have already proven that they are committed to growing your business with you and as a partner with you. Why would you give somebody that doesn't even know you, hasn't even said boo to you, the same attention that you give them? It's because we've been trained in transactional lead management. So we treat people like commodities. And that's the only way I can say this. The strategies for people that choose to do business with you, those are your VIP, they're fueling your growth, they've proven that they care. You have to treat them differently and give them an experience that wows them. But if you're only focused on leads, you forget all about them the second you get what you want. And this is why I said for me, I had to realize I'm like, lead generation is a little too self-fulfilling for me. And it just organically didn't resonate in my spirit. So I prayed and I asked God, how do I do business differently? And this is what he gave me. The other thing, there's two rules that I want to share with you in these videos. The first one is that leads are not created equal. We just talked about that. The second one is the back end blueprint. This is the other part of the lead generation strategy that I share in the database to data bank course. And keep in mind that the database to data bank course is part of a lead generation strategy. And the back end strategy has to be erected because here's what you have to understand. Don't just build lead gen, build the business. Your back end infrastructure is the system that manages, tracks, and nurtures the people that you meet. In my database to data bank strategy, we treat people like humans, not leads. So we're actually nurturing them. So when we build the back end, which is the infrastructure that tracks leads, that nurtures leads, that pays attention to the human aspect of the people that we're in business relationship with, the front end is going to be full of sales. See, what we're doing is focusing on the front end, and then we're missing out because everything is falling through the crack because there's no back end infrastructure to support it. That's the problem that we run into with traditional lead generation. And that's why I said it's dead and stinking and I don't do it. I am in my house today. I've already gotten 2 referrals before 12 o'clock without leaving my house because of the system that I set up, because I set up the back end first. And now the back end is like a fishing pole. It's going out, baby. It's doing what it got to do. And this is why I did the challenge. I was live for 5 months straight teaching the database, the database challenge, because I believe in relationship-based lead generation. So here's the shift. Lead generation becomes a subset of your back end system, not the entire focus of your day. I cannot tell you the last time I picked up a phone and lead generated. I only call people that I know, like, and trust. When I build relationships, I went to a networking event yesterday. I have a bunch of cards that I'm putting in my database. I'm calling them. I'm building relationship with them. I'm not treating them like leads. Also, because I'm not treating them like leads, I'm able to go through the human cycle of real estate. And I told you, people only buy real estate when life presents them with the need or necessity to transact real estate. So when you call people and you say, do you want to buy, sell, or invest in real estate? That's the dumbest question you could ever ask, because unless I'm having a baby, getting a divorce, getting a promotion, I need to upsize, downsize, my parents are coming to live with me, my children are leaving the house and I'm going to be an empty nester, why would I need real estate? But because you're not focused on the relationship, when those life things happen, you're not locked in relationship wise. So you miss the transaction because you were taught to focus on the lead, not the human. You were told to focus on the lead, not the relationship. My database, the data bank course, teaches you how to focus on the relationship, the human and life factors, more than you do the actual quote unquote lead. This is why when people say, I want to buy leads, I'm like, you're buying a name and a number? You could go to a networking event and get 50 names and numbers, but you want to buy a name and a number for $50,000 a year from Zillow? Make that make sense. Anyway, let me tell you this. The database to database challenge that I had for the first 5 months of the year is now a master course, and it is available to you. And if you are struggling with lead generation in any way, this will change the way you lead generate. This will also make sure leads don't fall through the cracks because you'll have a system on how you manage them. And baby, nobody ain't got a system like this. And I'll tell you why. Because the industry has trained us to be commodity driven. They don't even care about people enough. I actually care about people. I actually care about what's going on in their life. I want to know what's going on with their life. So for me, doing business in that way, it just makes sense. because it's not about me, it's about how can I help you. And guess what happens when you help people? When you make things happen for people, they make things happen for you. Here's what you're going to do to audit your back end. I just want to give you if you don't buy the course, I want to make sure you have something to walk away with. You want to audit your current leads. You want to tier your relationship. This is stuff that we do in the database, the Data Bank Master Course. Audit your current leads. Tier your relationships. Implement the relationship rule that you're going to have in your database, meaning are you calling these people every 30, 60, 90 days? And then you want to automate your nurture so that you get alerts when it's time to call. And then you want to shift your focus to spend 80% of your time building the infrastructure behind your lead generation than you do focusing on the lead gen, which is the fuel to the system. When you build a system, when you put names in it, it just goes into the system and the system runs like clockwork and feeds you deals. You've been lied to. I think the reason why people tell you to focus on lead gen is because they know you need to talk to people, but what they miss is the relationship piece. And we've all been in transactional situations and it doesn't feel good. And in real estate, nobody wants to feel like a transaction, including your clients, even when they need you. They want to feel like they have your attention as a human being. So this video is going to hopefully change your perspective about lead generation. Because for me, baby, I'm spoiled now. Like I expect business to come to me just because I'm breathing. And also, I realize now because I built it. It's like if you build a shelter for the birds, you expect the birds to come fly into it. I've built this engine. How Franklin say it in Snowfall. I built this thing brick by brick. No, but seriously, like I built this thing. I expect, this is where my faith is too. I have a point of contact for my faith. I expect leads to come in. I expect people to call me and want to do business with me. I expect people to call me and want to give me referrals, clients, realtors, and business associates. But you got to build it. All of the talking, all of the I'm going to do it when I'm ready, I'm going to do it later is not going to get you nowhere. If you are ready to buckle down and really build an infrastructure that starts to feed you leads, and it's going to take time to build, I would say my lead generation strategy, you can build this in 3 months. In 3 months, you should have at least 2 deals if you're executing the strategy the way I teach it. I gave you job aids, you have scripts, you have everything you need. And I gave you a bonus lesson to double down and get you those results. So listen, this will be the best $297 you ever spent. And I'm going to be revamping it next year because I already have stuff to add to it and I'm super excited about it. So please, before you click away from this video, get yourself enrolled in the Database to Data Bank Strategy Master Course. And I will see you in the next video.